temperature 42. Wind. This is the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The preceding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We will now return to our regular programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH-33 broadcasting on 162.550 MHz near Newport, Oregon, and Station WNG 674 on 162.500 MHz near Florence, Oregon.